So once you have created your budget, we want to set it up so that it adds everything for you automatically. So we want a grand total. We want to know what everything in this column is going to cost. But first, we need to multiply these two columns to get this total. Because if I'm buying lights, and I'm buying 4 of them, and each one costs $19.95, I need to multiply that by 4 and have that add up here. And do that for each row, and then I can total all of these. So the way you do that is when you create a formula, you click in the box where you want the answer to go. So I will click, and you can see the blue highlighting around this cell. Then you're going to go up to the Formula Functions button, and this drop-down arrow will bring up some common formulas. These are the ones that are used more often, but the one we need is not here right now. So we're going to go to All, and we're going to find Multiply. So you may need to scroll. It's in alphabetical order. I want to multiply. So it's in the function mode now, and it's asking you, what do you want to multiply? So it's showing you here how you set it up. So factor 1, and then we put a comma, and factor 2. So I'm going to click in the price column because that's my factor 1. And then I'm going to put my comma, and then I'm going to click in my quantity column. Once you do that, you hit return or enter on your keyboard, and it automatically totals it. If you changed this, or maybe you made it 5, so let's say I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to make it 5 lights, enter, it automatically changed the total for me. Okay, so that's what a formula does. So then you can make all your calculations, and it'll do it automatically. So even though this is just 1, we're going to set the formula here too, in case we change it. So again, I'm going to go to where I want my formula. I'm going to click on the Functions button. I need to go to All to find Multiply. I'm going to click on the first number I want to multiply. I'm going to put in a comma, and then I'm going to click on the second one, and then hit Enter or return on your keyboard. And then I'm going to do it one more time here. You're going to do it for as many items as you have. So I'm going to click where I want my answer. I'm going to go to my Functions button. I need to go to All to find my multiply. I'm going to click on my first cell. I'm going to put my comma in, and then click on the second, and then click Enter or Return. So you'll do that for as many items as you have. So I'm going to just do these 3 for now so I can show you how to do the grand total. So now once this is all done, I want this whole column to add up, and I want it to go here. So I'm going to click where I want my answer. So here's grand total. I'm going to go back to my functions. Now this one is a sum, right? Because I wanted to add everything in these cells. So I'm going to click on Sum. And now, instead of having to put in each one individually, you can, but what's even easier is you go to the first box that you want included, and you click on it, and then you drag down to include all the boxes that you want. So I want these 3. And now I hit Enter or Return, and it automatically added it for me. I want to make that a little larger. I can make that size 14.